Hello. Let's have a look at this Soundcore Anker Soundcore earbuds. It's the Liberty 5, which is the latest model as of now. November 2025 that I'm recording this. Didn't open them, still sealed, so let's do an unboxing. Lovely flower that I gave a second life. It's like a few days now already that this flower lives in the water like this, and yeah, makes me happy every day. I really love it. It looks wonderful. So back to what's interesting. I wanted those specifically for the adaptive noise cancelling. 3.0 Dolby Audio was a plus for me, of course. It says with case 48 hours per charge, 12 hours per charge, sorry, and with case 48 hours. They were rated as very good in terms of noise cancelling, so yeah, they precision noise cancelling with superior voice reduction. Okay, the other thing why I wanted those was that they had, of course, good reviews for the audio, pretty neutral audio, so you can actually customize it the way you want, but by default it's pretty neutral, and you can customize the tap controls, which was for me a plus. And not a plus, I really needed that because I want to use them for conferences, and I want to have a mute button. I mean, that's pretty, a must-have for me, so that you can mute and unmute easily when you're in conferences with other people. Not many buds do that, so of course, Samsung. If you go up in the price, some, I don't know, Harman Kardon stuff, they do that, but yeah, for less than 100 euros, not so many have this. This was the reason why I got them. Innovative noise cancelling system. S-shaped voice reduction tube. Again, adaptive noise cancelling, adjusts the surrounding 3 times per second, excelling at human voice reduction for unmatched serenity. Perfect. Nothing on this side except for ANC 12 hours, exactly the same things that you had in front. And the IP55 water and dust resistance and fast charging 10 minutes, charging for 5 hours. Then what do we have here? All the things that are in terms of standards. Model, of course, the model number. So for those that I have here, it's A3957. This is in Europe. Complies blah blah blah. It does not include a charger. I got the black ones because I wanted them, but they were also the cheapest ones, so yeah, weird enough there's a difference because of color in pricing. Otherwise, Bluetooth, blah blah, nothing outstanding here. Again, at the front, high-res audio wireless, so 2 wireless ones, and on the back, true wireless noise cancelling earbuds, background voice reduction for focused listening. Okay. Hintergrundgeräuschunterdrückung für konzentriertes Hören. German, you must love German. Soundcore Liberty 5 charging case in the box. Ear tips from extra small to XL, so 6 different sizes, and the USB-C cable. Okay, case with buds. What else? High resolution, crisp sound with biodiaphragm drivers. Okay. Sounds fancy. Patented Dolby 3D audio for full immersion. That's something that makes sense. And clear calls with 6 mics and AI noise reduction. Okay. Enough for the blah blah blah. Let's open them. Let's see. Arrows here, it means I have to drag it like this. Okay, first one's done. Doing the second one. Okay, that went easily. And what now? How do you get them out? Okay. Not sure if this is what it was supposed to go like, but okay. So they're not coming out as easy as I wanted, or as I hoped they would. Okay, as long as I can grab it, it will come out. Now it's coming. Now it's coming. Okay. Nice, sturdy cardboard. Let's have it here as a background with my flower. Okay, so you get, just at the beginning, a quick walkthrough on the controls. Those you can customize, as far as I heard, in the app. So by default, squeeze controls, the control area for squeezing, play, pause audio, squeeze once, play the next track, squeeze twice, previous track, squeeze twice for the left and right, yeah. Switch between A and C and transparency mode, squeeze and hold for 2 seconds any of the buds left or right. Scan for more information, support information. I guess you get a manual here, app, you can download how-to video, user guide, and so on and so forth. Flip to read more, so there's more to it. First time pairing, how to first pair them. Open the case to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. The LED light strip will flash white rapidly. Okay, how to wear? Yeah, try different sizes, makes sense. And it has a short tutorial on how, well, images on how you should put them in the ear and wear them in the ear. Okay, that being said, these are the buds. It's quite nice. Slide up to open. Anyway, let's take them out. Comes out easily. There's things underneath here, so I'll put them here and let's see what's in here. So the manual, you have a printed manual, okay. And of course, you have the USB-C cable. It's branded. It's a branded one, Soundcore. Nice. And you have all the different sizes of ear adapter. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, it's 5. I don't know why I thought it's M. M is probably on them. So you have XXS, XS, L, XL, and you have the M's, I suppose, directly on the butt. Manual. Again, you got the QR code. 34 months, 2 years limited warranty. And nothing fantastic. It's not really a manual. It's just this warning, blah blah blahs that they have. Not interesting. And here are the buds themselves. Can I slide them out? Yeah, I can slide them out. And let's see the charging port. This is nice, has a nice finish to it. You can see it's like it's satin somehow. It's not really soft, but it looks like satin finishing. It's really nice. They're black, but they have like this bluish glow to them. And flip to open. Oh, this is cool. It has a slide here. Yeah. While I was filming, the moment I opened the case, my phone saw them. They popped up, so they popped up. Quite nice graphic actually with them graphic on the screen, telling me to connect them if I want to. Of course, it stopped my recording, interestingly. So here I'm back. Oh, something is flashing here. Button. And I was just saying, this is a really nice case. This is really cool. And it somehow, it's not magnetic, but it has a spring. It's spring loaded. Really nice feeling to it. And the buds are really beautiful. They are beautiful. I don't know how the squeeze controls work. So you don't really feel when you squeeze. You feel a bit something, I guess. Very interesting. Nice finishing. Charging contacts here. Magnetic, nothing falls out. Really nice. This is really nice. I really like them. Yeah, I don't know how they sound. I'll find out soon, but really, really nice.